Hi friends, Suzanne here with a new mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019 and was finally able to open registrations for this fall of 2021, with more planned for the new year. So if you're local, I'd love to have you join in. Registrations will be on my blog, sunstampin.com. I asked a friend and fellow demonstrator, Terry, from carddesignsbyterry.com to help me with the event. We split the work, the costs, and brought together our local crafters for a first-class event. In this series, I'm sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some products are from the last celebration, so if you are looking to recreate, you may have to substitute. All right, we're starting off with card number 1. I am featuring the Whimsical Trees stamp set as well as the Christmas tree dies. You can see those little 2 dies on the plastic envelope there. I will be using that for this card design. This calls for adhesive sheets. So I have a little square here, kind of tears off like that. The sticky part is on the left. Sometimes it's on the right. I don't know. Anyway, it's easy for me to just put a little bit of sticky behind that basic white card. Now I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, my mini, super cute, have it on my desk all the time. I have platform 1 and my little clear plates, and I'm going to go forward and back with this one because it does have a little bit of adhesive there. I am using my oh so favorite color, Mossy Meadow. It is not my favorite color, but I do want to bring in a little bit of that color. So I'm stamping the sentiment, and the sentiment says, "Let your heart be light." And I'm taking these skinny little trees. I love them. Look at how long those little the trunks are. So cute. You will find this whole bundle suite on page 25 of the mini catalog. This is actually, I think, my favorite bundle or suite from the catalog. I have many, but this one was my favorite, and I love the paper. So I'm using mint macaron here, and I wonder if I kept the measurements. I did. Okay, so your measurement for that little piece is 2.5 by 3. That was basic white. And then the mint macaron one was 2.25 by 2 3/4. The mat here that I am using is the bigger one. So that's 2.25 by 5.25. And the DSP is 2 by 5. The mat for the skinny one, which is the one with all the holly and whatnot, is 1.5 by 5.25. And the DSP is 1.25 by 5. And now I am scoring with my trimmer, and I'm scoring at 1 3/4 and 6. And I used a similar card design just recently using the Peaceful Place papers. And so now I've just flipped I've used the same 1 3/4 by 6, and then I've just flipped it. So it's very easy to create this card, and it works on both sides. So the Peaceful Place card that I did had the skinny side on the left, and now I'm having the skinny side on the right. All right, I'm just putting adhesive here along the like half of the trees. And then I sort of center it and then place it. And so it's a fun gate fold. And now I'm just trimming off a little bit of the sentiment strip. And I'm going to put that up with dimensional adhesive. Just like here. And yes, I do have a tendency somebody said, wow, you could really, add a few more dimensionals. I probably could. And that sounds like a challenge. I do use my dimensionals a lot. I don't like saggage. Who does? All right, so I have little squares here of the Whimsy and Wonder 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. I am fussy cutting some of the hollies out, and I'll skip over that really quick because I know a lot of people think I'm crazy when I fussy cut, but that's okay. I am crazy. I fussy cut a little bit just to add some zhuzh on the side, and then I opened it up and I added the holly that I cut on the inside. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. I want to thank you for watching, and bye for now.